just fell in. Bringing my sidekick with me. He loves riding anything I've got. Tractors, lawnmowers, four-wheelers. He'll get on everything. Much to take care of, just not enough of me around to do it. But I do alright. Pause it for a minute. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Oh, we go. Down we go. There we go. Let's see. Get down here. Let's unlock the winch. There you go. Let's see here. Go the other way. There we go. Hold on. Take two hands to pull this thing out. Now we're back in business. Put this baby in neutral over here. Husqvarna, crazy things. Gotta pull the bar out. Alright. Let's go back up here and winch it up here a little bit where I can just drive it. I use that lawnmower because it's got a locker in there and it locks in both wheels. Allows me to get closer in the mud. But of course I get too close. Let me lock the winch back in. Alright. Here we go. It's not sitting still. I'm gonna have to Put it in reverse and pull it out a little bit, it looks like. That ought to be enough. A little slack. Let's go back down here and take it off. Let me lock it in so it won't roll backwards. Yep. I do like to get close. Let's see. Here we go. There we go. Got the wheels locked back in. Up here. Sorry. I forget I'm holding it with another hand. I'll wind it up later. Alright. That was it. I'm gonna get back to work. I gotta cut the rest of that bank off down here. I use that lawnmower to get close to it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.